morning. We moved recently, as you might know, and here behind me I'm going to have my new workshop. It says so far it's only an empty space, so I need some time and some funds to get it ready, but until then I'll be working here outside when it's fine weather. Next weekend I'll be attending to a maritime festival up north and having some talks and rope making demonstrations there, but also hoping to do some sales, and it's been a hot summer, so I'm out of coolers. So that's what I'll be making today here in my outdoor office. So welcome to my office for today and enjoy the nice day with me. Welcome.